Hindi ko maintindihan bakit karamihan ng Pilipino wala pa ring whole life insurance. So I asked ChatGPT for some reasons. Then I added some of my thoughts. So here are the main reasons. Number one, lack of awareness. Marami ang alam lang nila insurance is panggastos, hindi asset. Hindi nila gets na whole life can give you lifetime protection plus guaranteed savings plus may chance pa na kumita ng dividends. Number two, agents push VUL more. Let's be real, karamihan sa agents mas pinupush ang VUL kasi they call it as investment at mas madali ibenta. Pero minsan hindi yun ang best fit for everyone. Whole life is steady, guaranteed, and hindi mo kailangan mag-worry kung bababa yung market. Number three, mahal daw. Akala ng iba sobrang mahal, pero in reality, mahal lang siya kung hindi mo nakikita yung value. Kasi you're not just paying for insurance, you're building an asset for your family. Oo, mas mataas ang premium nito versus term insurance. Pero isipin mo, you're paying for lifetime protection up to age 100 and a financial asset na pwede mong iwan sa family mo. Number four, short-term mindset. Bills muna, gastos muna, travel muna, kesa yung pangmatagalang security. Normal yan kasi urgent ang immediate expenses. Pero ang problema, kung walang plano, mas lalong magiging mahal ang pwedeng maging gastusin sa future, especially when the unexpected happens. Number five, cultural and trust issues. Sa iba, malas daw pag pinag-uusapan yung insurance. Yung iba naman, takot dahil sa scam dati. Pero legit na whole life plans, regulated yan at matagal nang tested. Lastly, last reason, overconfidence or masyadong aggressive sa investments. Yung thinking, bata pa ako, malakas pa ako, bukas na lang. Pero life doesn't always give us warnings. Ang sakit, aksidente, or kahit death, biglaan yan. So the real reason most Filipinos don't buy whole life insurance is not that they cannot afford it. It's that they don't fully understand it. Kaya if you want to know paano makapag-set up ng guaranteed plan para sa pamilya mo na hindi mawawala kahit anong mangyari, DM me. I'll explain it in a way na mas klaro at swak sa budget mo. Follow me as well. Ang dami kong video dito about whole life insurance plans, pati na rin sa YouTube channel ko. Kuha ka na ng whole life insurance. Promise, sulit ito.